Hello, I'm Gabriel Franz from Yellow Table, and this is our Sprint 3 for Google Docs. Actually, for this, I will be in the lower corner giving a webcam presentation of this, while the screen presentation of our Google Docs will be in the background. So with that, let's get started. Okay, so let's first go into the participants portion of the interface. Once I click on speaker, we get to look at the evaluatees. From here, we have the exact list of the people in which we're evaluating. From here, I can update people's names. And so in this case, I just type randomly, or you can just hit Control-Z, and it automatically goes back. Once we click down here, we are able to add names, and in this case I just did add, and then from here we can just click X and it's removed. So then once we're done from that, it just undo the edit, and then we go to evaluator. The thing that goes with the evaluator is the same thing that ends up going with the evaluatee. Same concept. We can edit names, hit Control-Z, and it ends up going back for the updating. Let's again go down, add a new user named add, and remove it. In this case, I click done. Alright, now we move on to the evaluation portion of this. So going into the list, I chose a pretty a default way of names, you know, just the color tables and the fact that they're Google Docs. And then from there, of course, I can, it'll be a second, but I can go over, I can edit the names, I can add a name for a topic option, and then I can just simply remove it. Okay, and then from there we'll just end up clicking out. Going down, we end up doing the rating system of going from 1 to 5, and so in this case I went score, set it to 1, set it to 5. For the actual being able to tell people what the actual values mean, I decided to go with 1 for poor and 5 for excellent. Alright, in this case, let's go to live form. In the live form, we have just the top question, which topic will you be evaluating? From there, there's also the help. And so we'll just do blue team for the Google Docs. And there we end up showing that there is the help for whatever question that they're having. As for the speaker, we're going to go with Natalia, and the evaluator, we're going to go with me. So let's just say, you know, she did an average presentation, wasn't too flashy, so what we're going to end up doing is we're going to end up going with 3s, you know, going basically all the way down the line. And so with that in mind, we were able to click on the comments, and I just leave a standard, you know, pretty good report and the stuff that we have in there. And so once again, click submit, and from there we can go over and into the presentation responses, into which that's basically once you click on view responses in my presentation, then it ends up showing it. From here we end up having the timestamp, which is all the way over, that shows what things are doing. For our search feature, if we're trying to, you know, group people and figure out whose names they're trying to organize, you just right click on either cells. I did it in B, which is the speaker, and C, the evaluator. You right